Hello everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome to my channel. I upload videos weekly, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so don't miss any of my uploads. So for today's video, I'm back with another makeup review video, and I've been filming the intro for the past, like, I don't know, 10 minutes. I don't know. I'm having a little difficulty right now speaking, you know, so please bear with me, and please excuse like my blemishes. They're just all over the place right now, and my hair right now is uncontrollable, so please bear with me. But yeah, as you've seen on the title, we are going to be talking about new Charlotte Tilbury products. See, I just can't speak always. Anyways, the Charlotte Tilbury Luxury palette, this is in the shade Walk of No Shame, so this is new. And the Cheek to Cheek Swish and Pop blusher in the shade Walk of No Shame, so this is also new. And I also have here the Matte Revolution lipstick. It's a luminous modern matte long-lasting lipstick, and this is also in the shade Walk of No Shame. I've also reviewed like the Walk of No Shame jewel pots and the jewel lips, so if you want to check that out, I'll have the link down in the description so you can check my video out. And I've also reviewed the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. Yeah, I promised on my previous video that I'm going to be doing an update for that mascara. And here's the update. I wore it for like a whole day last Saturday. I was not happy about it at all. I will try to insert a picture right here of what it looked like at the end of the day. My mascara it was smudged all over, like under my lower lash line, and I didn't like that look. Personally, no, that's not the look that I'm going for. And I noticed that at the end of the day, there are barely any like mascara or like lift. It just doesn't look good anymore. And I feel like almost all of the mascara just went under my lower lash line, which is not good. So that's that. So I'll have the link down in the description so you can check my first that video out wherein I reviewed the jewel pots and jewel lips. And now let's proceed. I'll have my face like ready. I already have my makeup done except for my blush, my eyeshadow, and my lips. Let's start with the eyes. So I'm going to be unboxing the Luxury palette in the shade Walk of No Shame. So I'm going to be doing only one look for today. I hope y'all don't mind. I'm having a hard time today speaking and being on camera. I don't feel very good and confident today. I feel like I'm so bloated and everything. But yeah, enough about that, and let's proceed talking about the new palette. So look at that packaging, very cute, very sleek, very compact, easy to travel with. I really like this. So it has like her signature logo on here, and on the back you have the name of the shade, Walk of No Shame Luxury palette. I'll zoom you in there. Walk of No Shame Luxury palette. It has the suggested shelf life of 30 months, which is a long time, so that's good. Please excuse my fingernails. I know they're ugly. I haven't had them done yet. As you can see right here, the shades doesn't really have a name, but it says here that number 1 is for Prime, number 2 is for Enhance, and then number 3 right here says Smoke, and then number 4 says Pop. And now let's open. And you have a mirror, very cute. Again, this is very good to travel with because it's very small and you already have a mirror here. And these are the shades. Gorgeous. Look at that, so pretty. So this is Prime, this is Enhance, this is Pop, and this is Smoke. So now before I start doing my eyes, let's do some swatches first. So I'll start here with Prime. So this is Prime. You can barely see her, but she's very pretty. And she is very smooth too. As you can see, she has like a subtle sheen to her. Very nice. Now this is Enhance. That is very pretty. I really like that. And it's super smooth, I swear. Now let's do smoke. That is also very pretty and very smooth. And then last is a pop. Wow, very cute. Nice. She also has that kind of a wet look, just like the jewel pot in the shade Walk of No Shame. So that's that. That is super pretty. I really like it. So now let's start doing my eyes. I'm going to start with the prime shade, and I'm just using my finger to put this like all over my lids. And then I'm going to take the shade Enhance, and I'm going to apply it on my outer V and working my way into the crease. And then I'm going to be taking this shade Smoke, and I'm going to focus that on my outer V. And then still with the shade Smoke, I'm going to apply this under my lower lash line. And then using this shade Pop, I'm going to apply it here on the top of my lids, like so. I'm putting some on my inner corners as well. And I'm just going to do the same here on my other eye. And I'm just going back with my brush just to make sure everything is seamless. So the eyes are done. So I'll just put on some mascara and I'll be right back so we can start trying on the blush and the lipstick. So this is the finished eye look with my mascara on. Now let's open the blush. This is the Cheek to Chic Swish and Pop Blusher in the shade Walk of No Shame. So this is what the packaging looks like. It also has your signature Charlotte Tilbury logo. And on the back, Cheek to Chic Walk of No Shame. And just like the Luxury palette, this also has the suggested shelf life of 30 months. And it says here that Swish, the outer part, is meant for your cheekbones, and Pop is meant for the apples of your cheeks, which is the middle part. So it also has a mirror, and the gold detail is very gorgeous. It has Charlotte Tilbury written on here, cute little star, and this is Swish, and this is Pop. Let me try swatching it at the back of my hand. So this is Swish and this is Pop. So that's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to take just the outer part, or Swish. I'm going to try my best to just get like the outer part onto this brush and apply it like on the outer part of my cheek, like on here on my cheekbones. And then I'm going to take this shade Pop, like the middle part, and I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. So let's go. Ooh! Ooh! That is a very pretty color, but my skin just looks awful right now. So that is actually very pretty. So this is just Swish, or the outer part, on both of my cheeks. Now I'm going to take the Pop, or the middle shade, and I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. I feel like it would have been better if I just used like the middle part as a highlight, because I feel that the middle part just made my like imperfections look like it highlighted my imperfections or something. But yeah, it still looks very pretty. The color is amazing. Look at that. Yeah, this is very pretty. I really like it because the Pillow Talk Cheek to Chic blush, I didn't really like that very much. I bought it, I got it, I tried it on, and I didn't really use it that much because of the, I don't know, I didn't really like it as much as this one. This one I really like. I really wanted to show you guys a comparison of the Walk of No Shame blush and the Pillow Talk blush since I mentioned it, and I really like this better than that one. But I can't find it anywhere. I feel like it's hiding from me. So let's move on to the Matte Revolution lipstick. This is the last product that I got for today, and it is also in the shade Walk of No Shame. So let's unbox this baby. It also has the suggested shelf life of 18 months, and this is how it looks like. This is actually the first like lipstick that I got from Charlotte Tilbury, because from my last video, that's a lip gloss, so this is actually the first lipstick that I got from Charlotte Tilbury. And the packaging is very cute. You have her logo here, and this gold just feels so luxurious. Let's open. It actually has her name written on here, Charlotte Tilbury. And this is what it looks like. So my lips are bare, naked, and clean. Now let's start applying this baby. Wow, it's actually very soft. Wow, and not drying at all. Let me add like another layer. Wow, I really like it. It's very soft and smooth. So this is the complete and final look. This to me is like the perfect fall look. So yeah, for my final thoughts, let's start with the Luxury palette. This one is very good. Again, it's very easy to travel with. It's very compact. I didn't have any problems. It's super easy to work with. It blends nicely. It's pigmented. It's very nice and smooth. I did have like some fallouts, which was really easy to fix. It's nothing crazy. This one, the Cheek to Chic palette, or the blush, it's very nice. The color is super pretty. But yeah, I wish I used like the middle part, the pop shade. This one, I wish I tried and use it as highlight instead of putting it here on the apples of my cheeks. I think that could work as a highlight on my skin tone, or like not use it at all. I really like the color of that outer part. It's very pretty. I just didn't like the shine that the middle part or pop gave my cheeks. It's highlighting some of my insecurities, and I do not like that. And last, for the lipstick, this one I really love. Like, this one is a winner. This one I totally recommend. You should get this because this is just amazing. I swear, this one is super good. So out of all the new Charlotte Tilbury products that I have reviewed now and from my previous video, this one's actually my favorite. So this one's better than the Jewel Lips like lip gloss, the Walk of No Shame one. This is just, look at that, super pretty. I'm more into matte lipsticks right now. I'm not really into like glosses right now because of the whole like coronavirus thing, and we always wear masks, and I just hate like the feeling of the lip gloss sticking onto the mask. So this would be amazing to use all the time. I don't know, and the color is super pretty. I really like it. I think it suits me well, you know. So yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Again, I'll be putting on the link on the description for my previous video, so you can check that out. And thanks for watching. Stay safe.